Hello, this is Lorrie Hargis, and I'm a registered aromatherapist, and I'm in California. And I was just climbing up the ladder here to finish picking all my mandarin oranges to share with my family and friends. And I thought, what a better time to talk about mandarin essential oil. Well, mandarin essential oil is very dear to my heart, and it's very soothing and calming, relaxing. It really helps with digestive challenges. So I've got a little formulation for you that I have used with adults when they've had indigestion and with children. So the first formulation is going to be about adults. And with this wonderful, I'm going to grab my mandarin right here with this wonderful mandarin. That the essential oil comes from the peel, right? You can make this formulation, and it's 10 drops of mandarin, 5 drops of Roman Chamomile, 5 drops of Dill seed. And they all are soothing and calming to the digestive system. And the reason I made this formulation was I had a client who walked in the door one day who'd eaten some fast food right before she got there, about 30 minutes before, and had horrible indigestion. And so I made the formulation up, she massaged it on, and she started having relief, and she said, Lorrie, would you make some of that for my kids? So she had children between 6 and 10. And so I made a formulation for her with 5 drops of mandarin, 2 drops of Roman Chamomile, and 1 drop of Dill seed in 1 ounce of carrier oil for the children. And they really liked it. She said they slept better, their digestion was better. So you can see that you can make really beautiful formulations and functional formulations with mandarin. You can use red or green mandarin because they come in 2 different, you have different ones, one's green and one's red. So make sure that you use organic essential oils when you're using essential oils because they go into our skin, they go onto our body, and we want to make sure that we're not getting pesticides or herbicides in our system, right? As much as possible. Also, check out my book for more information about mandarin orange. And there's more recipes in there for you to check out. Also, we have our Common Sense community where we talk about essential oils every single month through our live workshops, and our students are really enjoying those. So make sure you get signed up for that. The links are below, and don't forget your essentials. Use your common sense. Au revoir.